But now I'm just watching you. Well, this is supposed to be distracting you while I got ready. This is... Oh. This is the opposite of what we're supposed to be doing.
Yeah, we were...
Oh, oh. Oh, Lego.
Do you like this movie? Oh my goodness, you're so cute.
You're so cute, Lego. Lego. Oh, you just went to bed with the birdie. You don't get sad. You're so sweet, Lego. Oh, Lego's so sweet. Oh, where'd that birdie go?
What's that birdie doing?
Oh, he's on the... Oh. Oh. Lego, I'm supposed to be getting ready right now, and you and Alexis are the biggest distractors there ever were.
But he's so cute.
He's so cute. How can I deny this little munchkin face? Oh, dude, that birdie.